Simple idea. Go into the content drawer, create a new folder, call this prefabs. Go ahead and right click, add an entity prefab. Ooh, what should we build?
How about vanishing tiles?
I want this to be the 512 by 512 square. Let's just make a simple materials. Let's go with purple because most people can see purple. If we want the player to stand on this, we need to make sure that it has collision. Let's go ahead and grab a box. Very faintly, you can see there is a green outline showing that I have collision on this thing, which is good. So now the player can bump into it. We can add a component. There it is. So now we have our tile in here.
I could give you some code, but I was thinking it might be more beneficial for us to show people the Fortnite Developer Assistant.
I think that's an amazing idea. Now we're going to go ahead and fast forward to the future because we were assuming something that wasn't true. Now, inside of Unreal Engine, we could do like an on hit so we know when something actually hits it. Now, we don't have that in UEFN yet, so we have to do something a little bit different. Shout out to Trick Tiger. We need to actually get an information of when the player passes through this top piece. He's got a whole tutorial that covers this, and I will definitely leave a link down below so you can check it out. The player's got to walk through this one. That's what's actually going to send the signal to make this bottom one disappear. And to do that, we actually have to write a little bit of code. So let's go over to verse, and inside of here, this is all the code. I'll leave it on screen so you can grab it as needed. Now, again, this is coming from Trick Tiger, so please go check out that one. I'll go ahead and open this one up. Down here in the bottom left, you can see how to make platforms disappear when I stand them with Scene Graph and UEFN. So you may be curious, what does this actually look like? You'll see that there's that little clear box up there. So if I even touch it, that whole thing will just disappear, which is nice. So we want to set it nice and close to the platform so as the player comes down on it, it would actually disappear. So also another huge shout out to PineFruitDev for coming and joining us this month. It was amazing. Even though the troubleshooting didn't work out, we figured it out off camera in the long run. And if you want to learn more about this stuff inside of UEFN, we do have a free creator school that's really helpful for getting beginners up and running. And for all of my teacher friends, we do write curriculum so you can take all these transferable skills that students are learning inside of video games, like inside of Minecraft, all the way up through Unreal Engine to get a career. We have a ton of curriculum that you can use inside of your classroom. Please just get a hold of us. And finally, if you have any other questions, comments, concerns, or confusion you need cleared up, go and just leave a comment down below. We'll get back to you when we get a chance. And don't forget to be Cleverlike and subscribe.